The AooStar GOD78 Cyber Mini PC has taken the compact computing world by storm, offering a powerful and stylish solution for those in need of a small form factor PC. This remarkable device is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS, a member of the Ryzen 7040 Phoenix APU family, a popular choice among mini PC enthusiasts. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Ryzen 7 7840HS is a true powerhouse. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor is based on the Zen 4-core architecture. What sets it apart is its integrated Radeon 780M RDNA 3i GPU, featuring 12 compute units, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. However, it's not just the internals that make the AooStar GOD78 Cyber stand out. Its appearance is a true head-turner. Available in both black and white, the chassis boasts unique cutouts that not only add to its aesthetics, but also improve airflow, helping keep the system cool during intense usage. To top it off, an RGB lit fan and cyberpunk branding on the top give it a distinctive futuristic look. Efficient heat management is a crucial aspect of any PC, and the AooStar GOD78 Cyber excels in this department. It is equipped with a 9cm fan and a dual heat pipe radiator, ensuring that the device maintains stable performance, even when handling demanding tasks. No matter how intensive your workload or gaming session may be, this mini PC is up to the challenge. In terms of connectivity, the AooStar GOD78 Cyber offers a wide array of options. It features USB 4 support, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Additionally, it provides dual network ports with 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and 1.0 gigabit Ethernet options, ensuring that you have the bandwidth you need for various tasks. It also supports both DisplayPort and HDMI connections, making it easy to connect to multiple displays or other peripherals. This base model provides ample memory with 16 gigs of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and excellent performance for a variety of applications. Additionally, it comes equipped with 512 gigs of storage, providing sufficient space for your files, games, and software. Priced at $599, it offers a compelling balance between affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for many users. For those who demand even more power and storage capacity, the AooStar GOD78 Cyber offers an upgraded model. This version comes with a generous 32 gigs of RAM, which is excellent for intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and virtualization. Moreover, it features a spacious 1 TB of storage, allowing you to store large files and a vast library of games or media. Priced at $749, this configuration offers enhanced performance and storage capacity, making it the go-to choice for users who require top-tier capabilities. The AooStar GOD78 Cyber Mini PC combines raw power, a striking appearance, and efficient heat management into a compact package. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply looking for a compact yet capable computing solution, this mini PC is certainly turning heads in the world of compact computing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and good luck.